Okay, this will be the last video for Unit 7. This is Lesson 10. And this is some basic problem solving. There's not a lot of formulas here. You're just going to kind of read the problem and kind of do the math that you need to do to figure the answer. For instance, number 1, Barry drives his truck for work and drives an average of 2,400 miles each month. If his truck gets 13 miles per gallon, how much fuel does he use each month? So he uses this much per gallon, right? So every time he goes 13, he's used a gallon. So we need to find out how many times does he go 13. So we'll do 2,400 divided by 13. And that's the whole problem. So he's going to fill his tank with 184 gallons or 185 gallons because you can't. They want to know the number of gallons rounded up. So we're going to go 185 gallons. So that's pretty much the way it goes. So a lot of these, they're all going to be different, but you can kind of figure them out. I'll do a couple more. Francesco calculated that he uses about 685 gallons of fuel each year. His car owner's manual says he's approved to use regular fuel. How much money can he save by switching from premium to regular? So in other words, if he does premium at this cost or regular at this cost, what's the difference? So we need to find out both. So we have 685. Clear this out. 685 times the cost of premium, 425. That cost him that much. And then we can do 685 times 379, which is cheaper. And so what is the difference between these two? 2911.25 minus 2,596.15. It's a difference of about $315. There it is right there. So you just need to go through, and each problem, it's a little bit different, but it's the same idea. You have things that you're comparing or things you're trying to find the total cost of. And so you just need to figure that out, basically. So like here, Sandra has a coupon for oil change. She can pay this much, or she can pay for the oil and the filter. What's the difference between the two options? Adam needs these tires. What's the difference in price between the economy or the performance? Well, 4 times each price. A lot of these are the same. So most of these are just you looking at the options, multiplying, adding up the cost for each option, and then making the comparison by subtracting. I don't think I'll spend a whole lot more time on this one. I think they're pretty straightforward. I didn't mention it previously, but you can skip lesson 9. I will skip it on the on Buzz, so you don't have to do that one.